All right, here we are. What's it called? It's something Pennsylvania.
It's something, I think 11 something Pennsylvania, but I'm not sure. It was like 11 for
Pennsylvania Place, I think it's called.
Yeah.
And we have something cool.
It doesn't light up unless you open the door.
Yeah.
Then it lights up.
And check it out, it's got the rare Otis logo on the door. You can just close yourself.
Yeah, Otis logo down there. Let's hop in and close the door.
No fan.
Light,
No light.
Going B, it starts moving before the door closes.
Oh yeah.
I think it's top drive. It sounds louder at the top.
Yeah.
Now we gotta move the car soon before somebody tries to pull in that spot.
Yeah.
Because I'll get towed.
Okay.
Otis logo up there too.
Oh yeah, sometimes they have that.
On the top.
Here, I'll get a cab for you quickly if you don't mind.
Oh yeah, well we can both grab one at the same time.
Focus.
Remodeled floor.
I love this cab.
Handrails. got
The
some
cab itself is
roof,
definitely original.
A new light though. Alright.
Alright.
Let's head back in. We should go to 1 because that's the exit floor.
I'll take it to 3
Take a
then.
3 again? Oh, okay, it under levels at the ground. Over levels at the top.
And it only registers a call when the door's closed.
Otherwise it
Social
cancels.
events.
Easy.
Yeah.
Just barely.
Just a little.
You can see the Otis logos every time we pass by a floor. Well, yeah, actually you can. That's 60. Alright.
We'll head back to 1.
Yep, head to 1. Take a look at the fire service panel they put in.
Oh yeah.
Boy. This thing is really cool. What's the capacity? Does that say 1200? I can't see it on here because it's not.
Somebody drew something inappropriate up there. 1200, yeah. That was cool.
Yeah.
I'm glad we got to see
Oh,
this
this
thing.
one doesn't have an indicator. It has a fireman's.
Oh yeah, you're right. Has the old buttons.
Yeah, old black button.
That's cool though.
With the clear plastic on them. Those are rare with the clear plastic.
Oh yeah. That's it.